question number 3. Quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic. Angle R equal to 5x minus 13 degree. Angle N equal to 4x plus 4 degree. Find measures of angle R and angle N. Okay. Now in question it is given that quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic. So we studied cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So if you observe the name here, angle R and angle N are opposite angles of each other. So they are supplementary. That means the sum of measure of these two angles is 180 degree. So the sum of these two measures is 180. So we will get here equation. Solve that linear equation, get the value of x, and from that you can find out measure of angle R and measure of angle N. Followed? So let us start solution. First write down this given part. Quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic. So reason you can write given. Therefore, angle R plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. Write reason. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Now substitute measures. Angle R is given 5x minus 13 degree. 5x minus 13 degree. Plus angle N is given 4x plus 4 degree. Equal to 180 degree. Okay. So here we got one simple linear equation in one variable. So let us solve the equation. 5x plus 4x. 5x plus 4x is equal to 9x. Then minus 13 plus 4. Minus 13 plus 4. One number negative, other one is positive. So we have to do subtraction. So 13 minus 4 minus 9 equal to 180 degree. Now take this 9 on right hand side. 9x is equal to 180 degree plus 9 degree. Therefore, 9x is equal to 189 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 189 degree divided by 9. So, therefore, x is equal to 9 to the 18. 9 1 the 9. So x is equal to 21 degree. So after getting value of x, substitute here and get the value of angle R and angle N. So let us find the angle. Angle R is given 5x minus 13 degree. Therefore, angle R is equal to 5 multiplied by 21 minus 13. Now 21 multiplied by 5, 105 minus 13. 5 minus 3, 2. 10 minus 1, 9. So angle R is equal to 92 degree. Angle N 4x plus 4 degree. You can also find angle N is equal to 180 minus 92 because we know the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. That way also you can find out. 4 multiplied by 21 plus 4. X is equal to 21. (84) plus 4. Therefore, angle N is equal to 84 plus 4, 88 degree. So, using cyclic quadrilateral theorem, we calculated angle R and angle N. Followed? Next, question number 4. Given part is, in this figure, segment RS is a diameter of the circle with center O. Segment RS is diameter of the circle with center O. Point T lies in the exterior of the circle. Here point T is in the exterior of the circle. So we have to prove angle RTS is an acute angle. Angle RTS is an acute angle. Okay. So here proof. We join segment RT and segment ST. Segment RT intersect the circle at this point. Give the name for this point P. Okay. Draw segment RT and segment ST. Segment RT intersects circle at point P, and then draw segment PS. Draw segment PS. You can also write the betweenness R dash P dash T. Okay. Now we have to prove angle RTS is an acute angle. So what is the definition of acute angle? The measure of angle is less than 90 degree, then it is called as acute angle. Means in short, if we want to prove RTS angle is acute angle, we have to prove measure of angle RTS is less than 90 degree. Okay. So let us see how to prove this. In figure you can see that segment RS is diameter. Segment RS is diameter. That means arc RPS is semicircular arc. Hence, arc RPS is semicircle. Okay. RS is diameter, therefore arc RPS is semicircle. And angle RPS. Angle RPS is inscribed angle and it inscribed in the semicircle. So we proved this corollary. Angle inscribed in semicircle is right angle. So therefore angle RPS is equal to 90 degree. Here give statement number 1 and write reason. Angle inscribed in semicircle. Followed up to this, angle RPS we got 90 degree. Now again observe the figure. angle RPS is exterior angle of triangle PTS. See, angle RPS, this angle, is exterior angle of triangle PTS. And this angle RPS is greater than remote interior angle by exterior angle theorem. Angle RPS is an exterior angle of triangle PTS, this triangle. Therefore, angle RPS is greater than its remote interior angle PTS. Right reason, exterior angle theorem. Follow? Okay. But angle RPS we already got how much? 90 degree. That means angle PTS, if angle RPS is greater than angle PTS, that means angle PTS is less than angle RPS. And angle RPS is 90 degree. So angle PTS is less than 90 degree. Here write reason from 1. The name of angle PTS, we can write angle RTS because R, P and T, these points are on the same line. So name of angle PTS, we can write angle RTS. Therefore, angle RTS is less than 90 degree. Here reason you can write R dash P dash T. So we got here that measure of angle RTS is less than 90 degree. That means angle RTS is acute angle. Therefore, angle RTS is an acute angle. So this way we proved what we want to